In this project, I created a prototype that is a USB adapter to a 40-pin IDE parallel cable. The objective is to create a system in which the fans that cool the equipment are powered by the USB plug of the equipment itself. I will demonstrate the application of this prototype adapter to improve performance, but first, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. So the objective of this project is to power fans via a power source that will be USB. So you have the USB plug, and here you have the fans that we need to power with USB. The mechanism you are going to use to distribute the power from the USB to the fans is these IDE cables that were used to connect old hard drives and allowed to connect jumper cables. So the system works like this. You have a USB plug that have a power source with the VCC and the ground. We want the VCC to go to the fan and then to return to the ground. Because we are using several fans, it's here that we have to develop the adapter. So, to create this, we are using an IDE cable that has dozens of connections in 2 rows. And what we'll do is to connect the VCC in the first row, in the first pin, and then the ground in the second row, in the first pin. And we'll do the same for each wire. So, the first row will have the VCC, and the second row will have the ground. So, with the fan, we'll connect the VCC in the first row, and the ground in the second row. And we can connect in any pin we want. If you have a second fan, we'll connect the VCC in the first row, in any position, and the ground in the second row, the row of the ground. The first row is for the VCC, and the second row is for the ground. With 40 pins in the adapter, we can connect up to 20 fans. 20 connections for the VCC and 20 connections for the ground. And this is the result of the prototype, an adapter that uses a USB plug that connects to each wire of the old IDE cable. Each wire is soldered alternately, so the first row is for the VCC and the second row is for the ground. And now, if I connect this adapter to an USB plug, I will have 20 pins on the first row for the VCC and 20 pins on the second row to the ground. In the second part of the project, I will implement this adapter with several fans in the router and network switch to see how the cooling improves the equipment performance and increases the speed of the data processing. Now, consider subscribing to the channel because I post new videos every week. Hit the like button if you like this project, and if you have any question or comment, write in the comments below.